Lotron. Pasigas!
That's gonna be a flagrant. That's a flagrant. Might be a big call para dito kay Rudy Hatfield.
He was called a technical foul earlier. Now with a flagrant foul, I think it would be it for Rudy Hatfield tonight.
Yes, you look at that. You look at where Rudy's hands eventually went, and that's what the referee see. Look at that hand; it's on over the shoulder.
Although nagtapikan lang sila ni Pasigas, sabi niya, playoff foul pa lamang. Elimination pa lang eh.
And nakita mo naman na para kay Rudy, he didn't just want to give the 2 points. Nagkataon, ulutin naman.
Oo. Buti na lamang, matigas ba ang ulo nito si Pasigas? Mukha dahil talagang hindi pa rin sumusuko. Kahit natambakan na sila ng 22, ito, unti-unti niya ang kanyang kukulan dito. So it's a flagrant foul, penalty 1. Ang ibibigay dito kay Rudy Hatfield. At gaya ng ating binanggit, may technical call na kanina yan eh.
It's gonna be a short return para dito kay Rudy Hatfield. He's happy to be back, as you can see.
At hindi po mawawala si Rudy Hatfield without a bang or without a statement. So ngayong H-bomb move niya, pinatikim na muna sa Barangay Ginebra. Mababa na kasi ang rating ng WWE, kaya dito na pumunta sa PC. Ito si Rudy Hatfield.
But Rudy Hatfield was very effective in the minutes that he played.